How to record Google Meet video call on laptop. So if you want to record Google Meet video call on laptop, then first you need to head over to meet.google.com and log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, you need to start or join the Google Meet call. So you need to go with new meeting or enter a code or link and join the meeting. Once you've joined the meeting, in the meeting you need to click on activities on the lower right hand corner. And after that, at the top of the activities panel, you need to choose recording. In the recording panel, you need to click on start recording, which will be on the bottom right. After that, a notification will appear in the top left corner of everyone's screen when the recording begins, making participants aware that the Google Meet section is being recorded. And after that, to stop the recording, you will again need to open up the activities panel and select recording and then click on stop recording. That's how you can record your Google Meet. But if you're using mobile or Android device or iOS device, then what you need to do is just swipe down from the top of your screen to access the quick settings panel and then tap on the screen recorder option. Once you tap on screen recorder, then you'll be able to record on your Android. But if you're using iOS, then you can simply choose this option, which is recording. So that's how you can record Google Meet video call on your laptop or your Android device or your iOS devices. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.